Students note that do not try to use Karsavtas as your site address unless you wish to choose one of the paid alternatives. The free option, namely karsavtas.wordpress.com, has already been used for this demonstration. Now let me tell you how to make a post. In the preview window, click on the right tab present at the top right side to start making your first blog post. When you click on the right button, the following screen will be displayed as shown in the figure. Here, you will notice that the blog post can be designed using HTML by clicking on the HTML tab or simply by typing in your desired content in the Visual tab. While it is easier to prepare your blog post using the visual option, but using the HTML option gives more flexibility in the design of your blog post. We shall begin here by examining the visual option in more details. Adding text and media. To add text, pictures, and videos in the blog post, follow the steps given below. Click on the blinking cursor and start typing the required text. Typing text and formatting text options like alignment, bold and italic are the same as we do in word processor. To upload media, click on the Add button. A drop-down list with the options mentioned below will appear. Media, media from Google, free photo library, contact form, payment button. Using the free plan from WordPress, we can store up to 3 GB of images. To add any picture to your blog, simply click on the Media button from the Display drop-down list. In the displayed screen, select the image and then click on the Insert button. You can also edit the selected picture by clicking on the Edit button on the top of the screen as shown in the figure. Moving the slider on the top right side of the screen allows you to change the size of the picture displayed here. As shown in the figure, with media added in the form of text and picture of the car, this is what the screen will look like. More pictures of your choice can be added. If the image that you want to insert in your blog is not available in the media library, you can upload the same from your computer by clicking on the Add New button. The image that you have selected from your computer will now be added to your media library. Students, let's know more. Using the free plan from WordPress, we can store up to 3 GB of images. Adding media from Google. WordPress allows you to add images from your Google account. Click on the Add button and select the media from Google from the drop-down list. Google will request you to connect through its Google account. So, connect through Google and click on Connect to access the images in your Google account. The screen will look like as shown in the figure. Adding contact form. The contact form allows the blog visitors to get in touch with the blogger through their suggestions, feedback and comments. Click on the contact form. The screen as shown in the figure will be displayed with 4 fields: name, email, website and comment. Additional fields can be added in the form by clicking on the Add New field. On doing so, the screen will look like as shown in the figure. The field marked as required will appear on the blog with the word required besides the field title. If a visitor does not fill in this field, he will be promoted to do so, else the form cannot be submitted. If you do not require a particular field, you can click on the bin icon besides the field name. This will delete the field from the form. You can also customize the notification settings for your contact form. Click on the Settings tab. The screen will look like as shown in the figure. Click on the text box titled Enter your email address and type in your email address. Multiple email addresses can also be typed in this box separated by commas. When a visitor fills in the contact form, a notification is sent to all the email IDs entered in this box. The subject of the message that will be sent to the blogger can also be customized by clicking on the text box titled, "What should the subject line be?" Type in any suitable text and it will be used as the subject line for the notification email. Click on the Insert button when you have finished customizing contact form and your form will be inserted in your blog post as shown in the figure. Inserting links. If you have a free plan, then you do not have enough space to embed videos in the blog post. So then you can link the videos to be uploaded on the blog post. This serves as an extremely useful feature for the blogger and they should use it whenever they can. To insert a link from a website or from your computer memory, click on the Insert or Edit Link icon and the screen will look like as shown in the figure. In the text box titled URL, type any URL. For example, type http://youtube.com/watch?v equal WR1MELVDOL4. This is the location of a YouTube video about the world's first powered vehicle. In the box title link text, type in "Click here to watch the video of the world's first powered vehicle." Click on the Add Link button when you have finished setting up the link. Proofread writing. Like a word processor, WordPress also provides a feature of spelling and grammar check. It is available on clicking on the Proofread Writing button. Students, let's know more. You cannot add a payment button in the free plan of the WordPress account. If you are doing a paid plan only, then you can add a payment button to your blog by using the Add Then Payment button.